Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will play with arrays and we will find out some important parameters of the arrays, or we will use some important commands that will point out the indices of an array. So for example, I have an array of x is equal to 0 and that has a step value of 5 divided by 60 and that has an ending value of 2 pi, right? And I have a function y is equal to sine x, right? And I want to get the first term of the array x and the first term of the function y is equal to sine x. So I will write down yx comma y1. So this will print me the first value of the array index, and this will also the y of 1 will print me the first value of the function y is equal to sine x that has also an array, so that has a value of 1 1. So for example, I want to print the 15th value of sine and cos the array x and the function x, that will be this value. The array value has a 0.73 while the sine has a value of 0.6691. Now for example, I want to print the last term, so I will just write down n in this, and I will write down n with y. So just print this and it will give me the result. Okay, now if I want to find out the length of array, so for example, I want to find out the length of x and the length of y, so write down length x and length y and just run this. So it has a length of 121. It has 121 elements, right? If I want to get some elements of an array, so I will write down the command. For example, I call it x of a, that should be equal to the array number, the array value, the array name, and it has and from where I want to start. I want to start from index number a1 to index number 5. So this will print me out the array 1.1 cross 5 array of the input x. So similarly, I can get the output array. This is called ya and it has a value of 1 to 5. Just run this. This is my input array, this is my output array. So you can also plot this by you just writing down the plot command, and I want to plot it, for example, xa comma ya. So just plot this. It will take some time and it should plot now. Here it is. This is what I get the plot command. Here it is. So as the x increases, the y is also increases. If you want to plot x and y, you can also plot by just typing plot x and y. So this is my input and output waveform. So this was a very short tutorial how you will play with the elements of an array and how you will find the indices of an array. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.